the dance Nesicha Sheli by Tamir Shalev, the singer activity leader. Chen will help me demonstrate it. So we're starting facing the line. I'm starting with right, and he's starting with left. 3 steps. 1, 2, 3, Cherkessia, and 3 sways. Sway, 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 and cross back. Naale. 1, 2, 3. Return right hand to right hand. Sway, and he turns me. Sway, and return to the beginning. Again. 1, 2, 3, Cherkessia. 3 sways. 1, 2, 3, and back. Naale, naale. Return to each other, right hand. Sway, and he turns me. Sway, and we switch places, and hands are high. Now we continue. I'm with right, he's with left. Sway, sway, up. Sway, sway, up. Behind and in front and back to back. Sway, sway. Step together, step. We return. 1, 2, 3. Sway, and we close. I'm going backwards. 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Sway, and I'm turning in. We're doing the same part again. Sway, sway, up. Behind and in front and back to back. 2, step together, step. We return. 2, 3. Sway and close. 3 steps on the line. Sway, and I'm turning outside. Last part on the line. I'm with right, he's with left. Up, mine, and cross. We turn with 3 steps and stretch, switch places again. Up, mine, and cross. Step, 2, 3, stretch, and from the beginning. The first time, the first part is danced twice. The second time it's danced only once. The ending of the dance is when we do this, we're facing the center or facing each other, and that's it. Thank you. 3 and 1, 2, 3. Sway. Naale. Right hand. From the beginning. Second part. Sway, sway. Back to back. And again. Sway, sway, up. Third part, up. 1. Turn. And again, up. From the beginning. Second part, sway, sway, up.